Hi students, this lecture for BBA second sem on corporate accounting 1. I hope all of you saw the last lecture. In that lecture, we saw the problems on issue of shares at par values. Okay, so two problems we solved on that. Okay, so in this class, this is the video number 6th, and in this class we will see the problems on issue of shares at premium. Okay, issue of shares at premium, we will see the problems as well as the format of the issue of shares at premium format. First of all, you know the issue of shares at premium means what. Okay, issue of shares at premium means what? The issue of shares the more than or the greater than the face value of the shares. Okay, the more than the original value of the shares. Suppose if one share is there and share price is rupees actually, or the original share price is rupees 10, but the company or the business is going to sell that share for rupees 15. Okay, so it means what? It is nothing but the premium, issue of shares at the premium. Original value is rupees 10, but they are going to issue for rupees 15. Okay, so 5 rupees extra, no? So this is the premium. Okay, so this is nothing but the issue of shares at the premium. Okay, so now this is the, now see the format how we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so you know that the whatever the issue of shares at rupees 10, so this 10 they are bifurcating, or the 15 rupees that bifurcating like this. Some cash they are receiving by applications, some cash by receiving allotment, and by calls. Okay, so if the call, if it is the when premium is collected at the time of applications, at that time how to pass the journal entries. So see, share application account debit to security premium account credit to share capital account credit. Okay, so narration we have to write being application money receivable along with premium. Okay, so like this we have to pass the journal entries related to the application. Okay, and suppose if the premium is collected at the time of allotment. Okay, see now this while the allotment. Okay, at that time how to pass the journal entries. So share allotment account debit to security premium account credit to share capital account credit. Like this you have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so now see when premium is receivable at the time of call. Okay, the call, so at that time how to pass. So share call account debit to security premium account credit to share capital account credit. Okay, like this you have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so just try to understand this entries, it's very easy. Okay, so on this we will see the problem. Now see the problems on issue of shares at premium. Okay, so see the Bajrangi Limited issued 1000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per share. The amount was payable as follows. Okay, so now see this Bajrangi Limited is the company, and this company is going to issue how many shares? 1000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at and premium of rupees 10. It means what's the total is rupees 110. Each share price is rupees 110 for the 1000 shares. Now how it's a 110? Now see, on application rupees 20, on allotment rupees 40, on first call final call rupees 50. Okay, so now see this related the allotment, including in this premium is also included. Okay, so now see actually original share price is rupees 100, but the premium is rupees 10. The total of the value of the share is rupees 110. Okay, so now how it's 110? See now here 20 plus 40 plus 50, it will be the 110. Okay, so this is related to the premium. Now how to pass the journal entries? Just see here, like this format we have to draw journal entries in the books of Bajrangi Limited. Date column, particular column, LF column, debit column, and the credit amount column. Okay, so now first of all they are receiving the 20 on applications, but they are not receiving the premium in this application. So whatever the earlier we pass a journal, like it means what's related the par values, no. So like this only we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so this 20 into 1000. Okay, so now see, bank account debit rupees 20,000 to equity share application account credit rupees 20,000. 1000 being, what's the narration, being application money received, being application money received on 1000 shares at rupees 40 per shares. Okay, so now one more transaction is what, share application account debit rupees 20,000 to share capital account credit rupees 20,000, being application money transfer to share capital account. Okay, so like this we have to pass the journal entries. Next, second one, see the B on allotment rupees 40 and including premium. Okay, so in this including premium rupees 10, actually it should be, allotment should be 30, but it is 40 because 10 rupees premium is added in that. Okay, so we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so now see, equity share allotment account debit rupees 40,000. So now how it came the 40,000? So this 40 rupees is there, no, allotment is the 40, and how many shares are there, 1000 shares are there. So 40 into 1000, it is the 40,000. Okay, so to security premium, so how many rupees added in that value, 10 rupees added, no. So 1000 into 10, it's a 10,000 credit to share capital account credit rupees 30,000. So now how it's a 30,000, the original they are receiving while allotment they are receiving rupees 30, so 30 into 1000, it's a 30,000. So like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the allotment. Okay, so now write the narration, being allotment money due on 1000 shares at rupees 40 each including premium. Okay, so now this 40,000 they are going to receive. Okay, so now see, pass, how to pass journal entries, bank account debit rupees 40,000 to share allotment account credit rupees 40,000, being allotment money received. Okay, so now see, for the first and the final call, so see here, see, on first and final call rupees 50. Okay, so 50 into 1000, it will be 50,000. Now 5 number, equity share first and final call account debit rupees 50,000 to share capital account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, so being first and final call money due on 1000 shares at rupees 50 per shares. Okay, so now this 50,000 they are going to collect. For that purpose we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so number 6, bank account debit rupees 50,000 to share first call account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, so now what's the narration, being first and final call money received. Okay, so like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the, what's the premium. Okay, so I hope you will be the understand. If you not understand, so you can contact me or directly ask me. Okay, and all of you note down the problem on your notebook. Okay, so thank you.